Ngayon po, i-discuss natin yung shorter way on how to divide polynomial. So this is called synthetic division. So it is the shorter procedure when a polynomial is to be divided by a binomial of the form x minus r. This method is called synthetic division. In this procedure, we write only the coefficients of the given polynomial. So yung i-discuss natin ngayon about synthetic division is when the divisor is a binomial. So when we say binomial, dalawa lang yung term in the form x minus r. So meron ding may synthetic division din for when the divisor is a trinomial, pero we will discuss that one sa ibang video na siguro. Para hindi tayo malito, we will focus only when the divisor is a binomial muna for this time. So let us divide the following. So for number 1, ganun din yung process sa sa long division, yung na-discuss natin sa isang video, na dapat na-arrange yung polynomial sa descending powers. At the same time, kung may mga missing terms, we have to insert 0. So i-check natin yung ating dividend kung meron bang, kung na-arrange ba siya. So ito siya. As you remember, ito yung mga examples ko rin. Yung dalawang example dito, ito rin yung example ko doon sa isang video. So inulit ko lang siya, pero this time we will use synthetic division. So number 1 is na-arrange siya, so walang missing term, so kokopyahin na lang natin yan siya. So ang mangyayari, we only write the coefficients. When we say coefficients, ito yung mga numbers, mga real numbers. These are real numbers. So ang coefficients dito sa number 1 are 2, 5, and negative 23. So these are the coefficients. So isusulat muna natin first. So we only write the coefficients. Hindi nakasali yung mga variables. Yung x and exponent, hindi na yan sila kasali sa synthetic division. So we will write first 2, tapos 5, negative 23. Then gagawa tayo ng malaking line divisor. Ito siya, the divide sign. And after that, hanapin natin yung divisor. Ang divisor natin ito. Pero since coefficient lang ang kailangan natin ang mangyari, ito yung format, diba? So this x plus 5, pwede man natin siyang i-present as x minus negative 5. Because x minus negative 5 is x plus 5, which is the same also this one. So yung r natin, ito yung ating divisor. So our divisor is negative 5. Or, para mas madali, pwede nating i-equate sa 0. So x plus 5, equate natin siya sa 0. So x is equal to negative 5. So ito yung r natin, di ba? So pwedeng ganun na lang din para mas madali, equate na lang siya sa 0. Or get the opposite. So ito na magiging itsura first. Ito yung mga itsura ng synthetic division. Una, bring down the first coefficient, which is 2. Bring down natin ng 2 dito. Next one is you are going to multiply 2 with the divisor, which is negative 5. So 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Ang gagawin nyo dito sa 5 and negative 10, i-add. You have to add. So 5 plus negative 10, negative 5. Then negative 5 times negative 5 is 25. So negative 23 plus 25, the answer is 2. So the last number in the process, itong pinaka-last, this one, is our remainder. Ito yung ating remainder. And these two numbers are our quotient. Ito yung ating quotient. Pero we have to present our answer, our quotient, in polynomial expression also. So we have to supply x. Ang mangyayari, since yung ating degree ng ating dividend, yung polynomial natin is 2, less 1 power lang ang magiging quotient natin. Ibig sabihin, 2 minus 1 is 1. So, x. So, our first term sa ating quotient is x. So, magiging, ang quotient natin is 2x minus 5. So, we have to supply. Ito, supplyan natin siya ng variables. Paano malaman kung ano yung susupply ng variables? Always add 1 minus 1 sa degree ng polynomial. 2 man ito siya. So, 2 minus 1 is 1. So, ibig sabihin ng ating degree ng quotient natin is 1. So, that is why the answer here is 2x minus 5. So, remainder natin So, kung i-compare nyo yung sagot natin nung first video, so the same yung answer natin. So, 2x minus 5, yung so long division. Ang remainder naman natin is 2. Okay, so ganun yung synthetic division. We only write the coefficients. So, let's proceed sa number ito. Check muna natin kung kompleto. Okay. There's something wrong with this one. Dapat ito siya cube. Cube ito. So, i-check natin pag may missing term. So, 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 8. So, there is a missing term here. Yung x, wala siya. So, we have to insert 0. So, since we only write the coefficient, ang first natin is 3 followed by 4. Yung x natin missing, so we have to insert 0, then 8. Then our divisor, ito siya, pag-equate natin sa 0, it will become negative 2, tama? Okay, so ganyan yung mga itsura. So bring down, first term, bring down, tapos multiply, that's negative 6. Then we add, that's negative 2. Multiply, that's 4. Add, 0 plus 4 is 4. Multiply, that's negative 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0. So our remainder is 0. And the quotient is, ito yung quotient natin. So we have to supply the variables. Ano ba yung degree ng ating dividend? Polynomial natin 3. So, meaning, squared yung isusupply natin dito sa 3. So, ang quotient natin is 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. So, this is the quotient. Remainder natin is 0. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple yung synthetic division. Next. Okay, last number 3. check natin kung may missing terms or na-arrange ba siya. Na-arrange naman, no missing terms. So we will write first the coefficient 6, negative 16, 17, and negative 6 divided by, so 3x minus 2, diba? Pwede natin ipit sa 0. So 3x equals to 2, divide both side by 3 para makuha natin yung x. So 2/3. So 2/3 yung ating, so 2/3 yung ating divisor. The same procedure, bring down the first term, 6. So 6 times 2/3, so this is 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 2/3 of 6 is 4. So negative 16 plus negative 16 plus 4, negative 12. So negative 12, 2/3 of negative 12, that is negative 8. Negative 8. So 17 minus 8, 17 plus negative 8, that's 9. So 18, 6. So 2/3, 9 times 2/3 is 6. So negative 6 plus 6 is 0. So our remainder is 0. Our quotient, sorry, meron pa palang kulang. We forgot. May kulang tayong ginawa. So since yung ating divisor is a fraction and the numerator is 3, numerator dito is 3, we have to divide here. We have to divide. Tandaan nyo, pag yung divisor natin is a fraction, so ang gagawin natin, yung numerator ng fraction na yon, i-divide natin dito sa last, sa ating last line. So divide tayo ng 3. So ang mangyayari dyan, that is 6 divided by 3 is 2. Negative 12 divided by 3, that's negative 4. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. So ito yung magiging quotient natin. So 0 divided by 3 is 0. So ang magiging sagot natin, quotient, is, ano ba yung degree ng ating 3? So x squared yung isusupply natin. So 2x squared minus 4x plus 3. The remainder, zero. Okay, sige. I-try daw natin, sagutan daw natin using sagutan natin siya using long division. Kung i-compare natin kung the same ba yung ating answer sa synthetic division and also with the long division. Picturean muna natin para maalala natin yung given. Sige, sulat natin yung given here. So the given is this one. So 6x cubed minus 16x squared plus 17x minus 6 divided by 3x minus 2. So, yan. So, dapat mag-match. This is using the long division. Dapat mag-match yung sagot natin dito. Pag hindi siya mag-match, something is wrong with the process, with our answer. Okay, so remember nyo, so 6x cubed divided by 3x, that is 2x squared. So 2x squared times 3x, that's 6x cubed. 2x squared times negative 2, that's negative 4x squared. Minus. So this one becomes 0. Ito maging positive kasi magkatabi sila ng negative. So, negative 16 plus 4, that's negative 12x squared. Bring down 17x. Next, negative 12x squared divided by 3x, that's negative 4x. So, negative 4x times 3x, negative 12x squared. Then, negative 4x times negative 2, that's negative 4x times negative 2x, that's 8x plus 8x. Tapos we will subtract this one, 0. So 17 minus 8, that's 9x, bring down 6. So 9x divided by 3x, that's 3 plus 3. So 3 times 3x, 9x, and 3 times negative 2, negative 6. So 0 yung remainder. So compare natin, ang sagot natin dito sa long division is 2x squared minus 4x plus 3. Sa synthetic division, ang sagot natin is 2x squared minus 4x plus 3. So we have the same answer using the long division and the synthetic division. Okay, so it's up to you kung ano yung gagamitin ninyo na way on how to divide a polynomial. Pwedeng long division. You can use long division. You can use synthetic division. So, whatever process na gagamitin nyo, the same lang din yung answer. So, kung saan kayo comfortable with the two ways, so, pwede. But, if the question asked you to use synthetic division or use the long division, you have to follow the instruction. So, ganun siya. Pag ang divisor natin is a fraction, sa last part, you have to divide the numerator dun sa last line. Like this one, yung ginawa natin. So, 3 man ito siya. So, nag-divide tayo ng 3. So, that is why, kung hindi ka nag-divide, magiging iba yung sagot natin compare doon sa long division. So, sa next video siguro, we will try our best na i-explain naman yung when the divisor is a trinomial using synthetic division. Pag divide ng polynomial, using synthetic division when the divisor is a trinomial. So, yun lang yung discussion natin, 3 examples for the synthetic division. I hope may natutunan kayo for this video and sa last video natin. So, thank you and have a nice day.